So here's our quick guide to getting started with your SigmaDSP and Sigma Studio software. Start by opening up a new project and select the external hardware that you're using. In this case, it's the AD-AU1401, the E2 PROM and the USB-I communication channel. Drag and drop these modules into the center window and connect up the wires. Make sure your DSP is powered up and connect the USB cable. All being well, the comms box will turn green to show you're connected. Click on the schematic tab at the top and you'll see a list of modules available for your hardware. Quickly looking through the list, we've got beamformers, pitch transposers, spatialize and stereo effects, logic functions, envelopes and compressors, filters and EQs, in-out conditioning for encoders and push buttons, level detectors, mixers and splitters, multiplexers and demultiplexers, clippers, sources and volume controls. Start by dragging in an input box and an output box and a 7-band level detector. Connect the wires together. Change the sample rate to 44.1 kHz. Click download compile and send your unit an audio source. Now we can see, as I sweep through the filter, we can visualize the audio going through the DSP. Click on the hardware config tab and right click on the AD-AU module to write the setup to the hardware. You must make sure at this point that the write protect is enabled. Now we're going to use the same setup but add volume control with a potentiometer via ADC0 on GP input 9. Add the ATC input module and the volume with external control module. Click compile and now you can see we have control.